Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So I always wanted to remind people that, even though in the day and age of AI and it's cool and awesome and amazing, we also have this great team that continues to pound out brand new templates because sometimes you just love what's already there. You don't need AI to create stuff fresh. And this is a great example of this. So of course, the team every week puts out new stuff and there's always release notes on it and everything else. But what I love about it, it's not just one dimension here. So you've got website templates and social media templates and Google ad templates and on. You can read this on the right-hand side. And they also put out brand new snapshots and the snapshots are amazing because, for example, this one is on boat tours. You get everything. You get Facebook ads, you get funnels, you get websites, you get calendar bookings, you get email templates, you get all of it all in one spot. And just really, really proud of the team for making this happen. And they do this consistently every week, week in, week out, always dropping new stuff. So when you get a chance, obviously go in and check it out. It is obviously in the sections that you would assume it would be in. So like websites, website templates, and ads, ad templates, and emails, email templates. You get the thing. And if you want to see where it all is, of course, go to the change log. It's also there as well. So anyways, on that note, I hope you have an amazing Monday and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.